Good morning, children. So let's solve this worksheet today. This is worksheet number 8. Okay, 7 worksheets you received in previous month, in month of July. Now this is worksheet number 8. So let's start this worksheet. Children, I already taught you the action words. So we will be solving this worksheet now. So you can see there are few words written here in the helping box. BRUSH, brush. EAT, eat. SKIP, skip. RUN, run. KICK, kick. Okay, so accordingly you have to fill it. So here you can see, what is this boy doing? He is skipping. Yes, so here you have to fill the word, action word, and which will be SKIP, skip. Okay, so here you are going to write skip. In the second one, what is he doing to the ball? He is kicking. So KICK, kick. Okay, now the next one, we will see the next one. What is this girl doing? She is running. So what is the action word here? Run. You have to write RUN, run. Okay. And what is this girl doing with the ice cream? She's eating the ice cream. So children, here you will write run. Okay. Here you will write eat. Okay, children. Now the next one. Okay, so we have this much 4 only, and here there are 5 given just to confuse you. Okay, so the first one is skip, second one is kick, third one is run, and fourth one is eat. Moving to next word. Now children, when an action is taking place, then we add ing. When it's happening now, जब ये हो रहा है, अभी हो रहा है. ओके, अभी तुम जंप कर रहे हो, अभी तुम मुझे सुन रहे हो. Now you are all watching it. Now you are all looking at the screen. Now you are all listening to me. So watch plus ing, watching. Listen plus ing, listening. Okay, so hear plus ing, hearing. So here example, jump plus ing, jumping. Jumping, whenever you put ing, it means this action is taking place now. अभी ये हो रहा है. ओके, जब अभी हो रहा है तो हम उसमें ing लगाते हैं. You have to add ing to the verb. Alright, let's move ahead, children. So rewrite the action word by adding ing to the given words. Okay, it's very easy. This boy is, what is the action word here? The action word here is walking. What is the action word? The action word here is walking. So now what's happening here? This boy is walking, right? So here you have to put walk. You have to write walk. Okay. Action word by adding ing. So walk plus ing. What it becomes? Walking. Okay, like this you have to write. Like this, children. Next one is sleep. So sleep plus ing will be sleeping. When an action word has a vowel before the last letter, then the last letter will be doubled. Now you can see this is the action word. What is the action word here? Run. When you want to put ing to the one run, you have to see that here the last letter is N and before N there is a vowel, isn't it? Before N there is a vowel. U. U is a vowel. So this N becomes double. So R-U double N-I-N-G. Okay. You understood? When the action word has a vowel before the last letter. So here you can see this is the action word. Last letter, before the last letter के पहले vowel है तो ये double हो जाता last letter. ठीक है? So here set, last letter is T. T के पहले E है. E, what is E? E is a vowel. So जब ing लगाएंगे so उसमें क्या हो जाएगा? SE, T जो है वो double हो जाएगा. फिर ING, setting. Okay? T जो है वो double हो जाएगा. Why? Because there is a vowel before the last letter. We are talking about the action words. There is a vowel before the last letter. Okay? Vowel है, last letter के पहले vowel है, इसीलिए last letter double हो जाता है. Okay? These are the rules which you have to remember. Okay? Like this, shop का shopping करेंगे. What is the last letter here? P. What is the P? Which letter is there before P? It's O. Is O a vowel? Yes. O is a vowel. So यहाँ पे spelling क्या हो जाएगी? The last letter becomes double. Okay? Last letter becomes double. So shop will become shopping. Okay? So when an action word has E as the last letter, then E will be removed and ing will be added. Okay? So here last letter has E. So when you add ing, then E is removed. We write DANCING. This E is removed. So whenever you have to add ing to the word, जब हम ing ऐड करते हैं वर्ड में, एक्शन वर्ड में, और उसमें ई है लास्ट में, तो हम DANCING लगाते, EING नहीं लगाएंगे. जब भी लास्ट में ई रहेगा वो ई कैंसल हो जाता है when we add ing. Okay? So DRIVING. So how will you add ing? DRIVING. So E got cancelled. Here also E will be cancelled. So riding will be RIDING. Okay? So children, here we are done with this worksheet. Okay? So do this worksheet, and tomorrow I will be watching. You will have to show me tomorrow the worksheet. Okay?